And as Peter said, we are seeing all different types of weather this morning. So here is video from earlier this morning where hail was coming down. This is in Carroll. You can see it's spread all over. Big flashes of lightning. We've said thunderstorms. We're seeing hail. We're really seeing it all. And I also know we saw some hail here in the metro. So because of all this, road conditions in northwest Iowa, like Peter showed you, already partially covered. Travel is not advised. Local 5's Meghan MacPherson live on the roads in the Local 5 Storm Tracker. Meghan, where are you right now, and what do the roads look like where you are?
Yeah, Dana, we've just left the metro. We're here in the Local 5 Storm Tracker, and we are heading north right now towards Ames on I-35. Now, throughout the morning, we've seen numerous reports of pea-sized hail, severe winds, and even some of that thunder snow as well. It was a term I wasn't familiar with, but we have seen that a lot throughout the morning. Let's give you a look at our roads right now. You can see that all we're seeing currently is just a bit of precipitation. The roads are clear, thankfully, but as we have left the metro, I've heard the wind pick up. Not sure if you can hear it from your point of view right now, but the winds are definitely strong out there. People taking it just a bit slower on the roads currently. And again, we have seen, we haven't gotten quite to that point yet, but as we head further north and even more northwest is where we're seeing more of that widespread coverage, more snow-covered roads and things of that nature. But we are seeing multiple reports of even roadways covered with that hail. So that's kind of what we're on the lookout for right now. I've even seen some reports of cars pulled over in the ditch due to those conditions, and this is only going to progress throughout the morning. We're kind of seeing that wind, pick up, and the travel impacts, of course, getting more severe. So as we head further north, we'll check back in with you in about 30 minutes or so and show you a bit more of what conditions are looking like. For now, Dana, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Meghan, thank you. Like you said, we'll check back in with you in just a little bit here. In another traffic alert today, if you plan to drive on the Mile Lawn Bridge over Saylorville Lake near Polk City, you may need to take a detour. The Iowa Department of Transportation says an emergency closure of the bridge may happen this afternoon due to high winds. Now, the DOT says this could happen unexpectedly, but it is for the safety of the public. So to keep an eye on this potential closure, you can just visit 511ia.org.